powerful feature of the Entré software is that it serves as an archive of all of the events that the connected systems send to it. Reports allow you to sort through this information to find the data that is important to you. Entré comes with several reports already created. These reports are a quick and easy way to bring relevant data to the forefront. If you are looking for data that is not generated in one of the available reports, you can create custom reports that suit your needs. Open the Management menu and select Reports. To run an existing report, select it from the list and click the Run button. To create a new report, click the Add button and select Filter-based reports from the list of options. Object SQL and SQL-based reports require writing a SQL query and should only be performed by a qualified SQL database administrator. Give the report a name and a description, and adjust the max results field if needed. Open the Item Type drop-down menu and select the type of information that this report will display. To narrow the data that is returned, click the Edit Filter button to open the filter window. When working with events, an effective method of filtering events is based on event log codes. Click the Choose button to the right of the log code field. This opens a list of all available log codes and their event descriptions. Find the log codes you wish to include in the filter and move them to the selected items table using the arrow buttons. When you are finished selecting log codes, click the OK button to continue building the filter. There are many options for further customization. Go to the Device section and click the Choose button to the right of the Device field. Find a device that Entré will filter events for and click the checkbox next to it. Click OK on the Choose Devices window and also on the Filter window. Click the Run button at the top of the Add Filter window to run your report and test your filter. If nothing is listed in the pop-up, check your filter settings and try again. If there are columns of data in the report that you do not need, select the Edit Columns feature to add, move, or rearrange them. For reports that need to have some data defined when the report is ran, use variable parameters. This allows you to set date ranges and more to further refine your results. Once you are satisfied with the report, click Save and Close to add this report to the list of reports. Once a report has been ran, you can export the data in a variety of different formats. Reporting in Entré puts a wealth of information within reach. Reports can be viewed for one system or pulled together for multiple systems. No matter the application, Entré gives you the tools to manage your information from all of your locations. For more training videos and information about Entré, visit dmp.com.